Hi, everyone. I wrote a book called Miracle as I was led by God. He showed me that the languages should have symmetry. And Zephaniah 3 and 9 states that, "For then will I turn to the people a pure language, that they may all call upon the name of the Lord to serve him with one consent." I began with the Hebrew language, which has 27 characters, and compared it with the English language, which has 26 characters. God showed me that Jesus Christ is associated with the number 9 and that his character was removed from the English language. That's why there are 26 instead of 27 characters like the Hebrew language. English is a made up language solely to get rid of Jesus Christ out of the language. God also showed me that there is a confusion in the languages, partly because one side of the world reads from left to right, and the other reads from right to left. Mirrored words would solve both of these problems, which is why I believe God has used mirrored words. Please download my free ebook, Mirror Code, Balance Words with Numbers, and email me if you have any questions. So let's go to the book. Well, first I want to show you the code. The code on the left gives a numerical value to each letter. The numerical value is 1 through 9, and the letters correspond with what digit it's associated with. So A would be 1, F would be 6, P would be 7, and so forth and so on. Now on the right side is a table that associates the letters with the numbers as the Hebrew alphabet does, and they go from 1 through 9, then 10 through 90, and then 100 through 900. So theirs is a little different, but it's all the same code when you look at it, when you get to know the code. Let's look at the book itself. So when you start working on mirrored words, I start with the example Adam. And if you use the code, Adam becomes 1214. Adam becomes 1214. And when you look at it and switch the numbers around, you can see that it's 242, as in right here. 242 is equal 8. And that's the mirrored part of it. 1214 can be written as 242. And now it's perfectly balanced and it's a mirror. Now let's look at Eve. As you might guess, Eve is already a mirror. EVE is a mirror. And that, if you look at the code, that equates to 282. Let's look at the code. E is 2, V is 8, and once again, E is 2. So Eve is already a mirror. So let's look at some more names without including all the mathematical steps. Seth becomes, if you use the code, is 1228, which can be written as 292, which equals 13 if you add them up. 9 plus 4 is 13. Abram can be written as 17914. And if you switch the numbers around, you can see that it becomes 949, which is 22. So you can make a mirror out of Abram by turning it into 949. Let's go to some of the biblical names. I want to show you why I say Jesus Christ is associated with number 9. So if you look at Jesus, it can be written as 12141. And if you switch the letters around, you'll see that it's 4. The mirror is 414, which is 9. 4, and 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 414 is equal to 9. That's why I say Jesus Christ is associated with number 9. Also in the Bible, God said, Moses asked God what his name was, and God said, I am. So I am is actually equal to 9 also, which I believe that Moses was talking to Jesus. I can't prove that, but I think the Bible hints that Moses was talking to Jesus instead of talking to God. So once again, let's look at the code. This code can be used to decipher many things, not just the Bible, but the world elites use this code whenever they're sending messages. So if you look at television ads, print, and use this code, you find out all the secret messages that they use.